The Dirza bike hanger. Came in a 2-pack. Looks to be good. Steel construction. I want to put those two bikes on my garage wall right about there. Well, I took a couple measurements. One of the bike to see how long it was to make sure it wouldn't hit the ground. I want to park my push lawnmower underneath them. And then I took some measurements of the handlebars to see how far across they were to make sure there's enough room. Then per the instructions, I drilled some pilot holes and put the screws in at the studs. Easy to find in my garage because they're painted, because it's unfinished. If yours are unfinished, I would suggest using a stud finder. Studs are the best place to put them rather than using the anchors that come with them. It does come with anchors, you could use that. I went to hang it and realized I hung it a little too high. You know, kind of like Clint Eastwood, hang them high. Anyway, they had to bring them down a little bit, enough to let the tire clear. The other little piece you saw me hang really goes on the bottom to cover the wall for the bottom tire. So I put it in the proper place and hung it. And once I got it up there, it looked pretty good. So I hung the second one right next to it. Duplicate the effort, and they look pretty good. Give it my